Hey folks, Easy right here. Welcome to my next video. Today I installed some hand guards on my wife's 2022 Honda CB500X. These are cheapy ones I bought from Amazon, so if that interests you, stick with me. And welcome back. Yeah, I just installed these hand guards. They cost less than $25 on Amazon. These company that sold it was called Lara Bobber, but there's a bunch of different ones there. They're all around 20 something dollars, and by the time you watch this, that company may not exist anymore. Anyway, turn the camera around. I'll show you what it is, and I'll explain how to install it. And there they are. These are these Lara Bobbers or something hand guards. They cost me $22 or so on Amazon. Obviously, they're not blockbusters or anything really strong enough for like off-road or whatever. But I bought this, basically to keep the wind off my wife's hands because her hands are always like freezing to death. I actually made a pretty hard ABS plastic. Not too bad for the money. I can't complain. So let's talk about installing it. It comes with the unit right here. It's this little bar that goes on that connects underneath your mirror, and then it just screws right into the bar end here. So let me give you some idea of how to put this thing on, so you save yourself a whole lot of headache. First thing you gotta do is take this windshield off. It's just these 4 screws here. It's no big deal. Just loosen them up, take the windshield. Be careful because these things scratch easy. Put them down somewhere that's nice and soft. Next thing you're going to have to do is you're going to need to take the mirror off. You just pull up this rubber thing right here, and there's some, I think it was 13, 14 millimeters nuts right here that you loosen up, and then you just swing the mirror around and the whole thing comes up. It's not really that hard. The hardest part's going to be right here, getting this booger off. This is a Phillips head screw. You can see it's kind of chewed up. That's because a while back when I was doing something else, I had to take that screw out. And if you try to use just a Phillips head screwdriver, it's going to immediately strip on you. You do not use a Phillips head screwdriver on it. What you use is one of these things. See if you can see it. This is called an impact screwdriver. You can buy these at Harbor Freight for $5. You place it into the screw like that. Or let me see if I can do this. Place it into the screw, and then you whack on it with a hammer, big mallet or something, and that will unscrew it without stripping the screw. They do give you another screw to put back in here, but I used the original equipment. The other one was really long. I didn't see a need to use it. So you got like this washer that you'll have. There's another like a rubber washer on the inside right there, and then this screw. So you got everything that you need. Real simple to put on. Maybe took me 20, 30 minutes. That takes me forever to do everything. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with them. Like I said, they're called Lara Bobbers or some craziness like that. But, if you're just looking to keep the wind off your hands and have a more comfortable ride, it may even survive a few dumps, as long as you ain't, going 100 miles an hour when you dump. But, for 20, 25 bucks, who cares? There's no fitment issues here. Everything works. Everything works right here. So no fitment issues there. So, yeah, you got any questions, feel free to leave it in the description below, and have a great day.